Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fish without fry. We'll explore several fantastic methods to prepare your favorite fish, focusing on healthier and equally delicious alternatives to deep frying. You'll learn about baking, pan-searing, grilling, and even steaming, all designed to bring out the natural, delicate flavors of your fish. These techniques are not only simple to master, but also contribute to a lighter, more nutritious meal for you and your family. Let's dive in and discover some wonderful ways to cook fish. Baking is a wonderfully simple and hands-off method for cooking fish. First, preheat your oven to a moderate 400 degrees Fahrenheit or about 200 degrees Celsius. Place your fish fillets on a baking sheet, ideally lined with parchment paper for easy cleanup. Bake for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. The exact time will depend on the thickness of your fish. Season with fresh herbs, a squeeze of lemon, and a light drizzle of olive oil before baking to enhance its natural taste. This method yields tender, flaky fish every time. For beautiful crust and moist interior, pan-searing or grilling are excellent choices. When pan-searing, heat a non-stick pan over medium-high heat with just 1 tablespoon of oil. Sear your fish for about 3 to 5 minutes per side until it's golden brown and cooked through. If you're grilling, preheat your grill to medium-high and ensure the grates are well-oiled to prevent sticking. Grill the fish for 4 to 6 minutes per side, turning it only once to achieve those perfect grill marks. Both methods offer fantastic flavor and texture. Steaming and poaching are ideal for incredibly tender and moist fish, preserving its delicate flavors beautifully. For steaming, place your fish in a steamer basket over simmering water, ensuring the water doesn't touch the fish. Steam for 5 to 8 minutes, depending on thickness, until it flakes easily. Poaching involves gently cooking fish in a flavorful liquid, such as broth or seasoned water. Maintain a temperature of about 180 degrees Fahrenheit or 82 degrees Celsius and simmer the fish for around 10 minutes. These methods are wonderfully light and healthy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.